Hi everybody, it's me, Julie the Whippy Chick, once again with another video. This could be kind of a different video. It will be yarny, I promise. But I kind of wanted to tell you a little something about myself. A lot of the yarn tubers? Yeah, I think that's what we call ourselves. A lot of the yarn tubers are really into collecting large amounts of yarn, and I think that's great. I'm so excited for them. I love to watch their videos when they get all excited to show their purchases and all the beautiful yarns that they have, and they have these beautiful walls of yarn behind them, and I think that's really, really nice. I really, really do. However, it's not for me. I've tried to like create a big yarn wall and stuff like that, to make a beautiful backdrop, but Willie's here. Come here, Willie. Come here. Anyway, I was saying, I've tried to create that big wall of yarn in the background and that sort of thing, but it's just not for me. I'm more of a minimalist. I don't like to have a lot of stuff around me. It kind of almost makes me anxious. I know there's other people out there like that, you know, they don't like a lot of stuff, don't like a lot of clutter. And I know a lot of people who love yarn would be like gasping right now that I called yarn clutter. But if it's yarn that I know I'm probably never going to use, to me it's clutter and I don't want it. So that's where you come in. Take my yarn. Please. Take my yarn. I am cleaning out my yarn stash. I'm keeping the stuff that I really love and that I know I am going to use. There are a couple skeins of yarn that were gifts from people that I love and who love me that I will keep because I have a plan for them. I know what I'm going to make with them. But yarns that I don't have a plan for and I just bought merely because they were on sale, because I thought that's what I was supposed to do, I'm giving it away. I'm giving away a lot. Okay, I have two big boxes here. Big boxes. And they are crammed full. Like the top doesn't even fit on them. I'm not sure I'd be able to mail this box the way it is without really taping it down. But I have two boxes like this. Two. They're really big. Here's the other one. Oh, okay. See? Lots and lots of yarn. And yeah, I'm giving it away. Giving it away. So you guessed it, I'm having a giveaway. I'm giving away a lot of yarn. When I told my friends, Melanie from Hook to the Left and Ginger the Yarn Geek, they thought I was crazy at first, but then they realized that that's just me. I don't like a lot of stuff around. So, will you take my yarn? Will you? Will you really? Will you take it? Because these boxes are so big and heavy, this giveaway is going to be for people in the continental United States only. There's not going to be, you know, an extra prize if you're outside of the United States. So, you know, if you don't live in the continental USA, I'm not going to be able to mail you a prize. So this contest is only for people who are in the continental US, because I don't have the kind of money that I would need to send these all over the world. It just isn't going to happen. And I have no idea what they're worth, so I really can't do a gift card prize or anything like that. So yeah, number one thing, the winner has to live in the continental United States. The winner has to be 18 years old. The winner has to leave me a comment and be subscribed to my channel. And I think that's pretty much it. But I'll put all of the rules in the in the description box, so you can check the rules if you want to. But the number one rule is that the winner has to live in the continental United States, because I'm not rich. I can't mail these any further than that. I'm sure you understand. Yeah, so I'm gonna let this big old truck go by. I live in an area where there's a lot of pickup trucks. Live out in the country, so everybody's got a pickup truck with great big tires. They go through mud and snow. Okay, so if you would like to enter to win one of these boxes, there are going to be 2 winners, because there are 2 boxes, so 2 winners. If you would like to try to win one of these boxes of yarn, I'm going to need you to leave me a comment in the comments below, and I would like you to tell me what kind of a person you are. Are you a collector, or are you more of a minimalist? And if you're a collector, what do you collect? Do you collect yarn? Do you collect jigsaw puzzles? Do you collect Hummel figurines? I don't know. Lots of people collect a lot of things. I do kind of collect plants. But they're giving me oxygen. Yeah, tell me whether you are a collector, or if you're more like me, like a minimalist, like you don't want a lot of clutter around. I think that's a good enough question for the contest. Don't you agree? You know, that's what I think. Okay, I think that's it. And if you've made it to the end of this video, thank you for sticking it out. And yes, please take my yarn. I want it to go to a good home, and I know you'll give it a good home, and you'll use it. Or you'll display it and love it for being on your wall. I don't know. Okay, everybody, I hope this video isn't too weird. It feels kind of weird to me, but hopefully you won't think so. Have a great day and a great day. Oh, I didn't tell you when the contest was over. It's kind of important. Okay, so this contest is going to run for 2 weeks. And no, not 2 weeks, longer than 2 weeks. It's going to run for almost 3 weeks, because the drawing is going to be on October 1st, which to me is the beginning of crochet season. October 1st, at least in the northern hemisphere. It's the beginning of crochet season for us up here in the north country. So yeah, October 1st, I will be drawing 2 winners using the random comment picker. Yeah, I think that covers everything. I hope so. Hope so. Yeah, I think so. Okay. All right. Have a great, great day, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Oh, and good luck.